Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install WinRAR on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser of choice. It doesn't matter to me, but we're going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And you just want to go search for WinRAR. One of the best results should be for a website. This is win/rar.com. Go ahead and open up that link. Select the download WinRAR button over here on the right side. Keep in mind that WinRAR is a trialware application. You still have to pay for it, or you're supposed to pay for it after 30 days. Most people don't, but you're supposed to, just to make you guys aware of that. And you're going to select the download WinRAR button and give it a second to download here. It takes about a couple seconds, and open up the file once it's downloaded. Select yes to run the application and then select install. Again, you can see it is a trial version for 40 days. This is a standard WinRAR that everybody's using, so just because it's a trial doesn't mean you can't use it after 40 days. You're just supposed to buy it after 40 days, which I said most people don't, but you're supposed to, so just keep that in mind. Go ahead and select OK and select done. Again, this is a trial version. You're supposed to pay for it after 40 days. You can find plenty of videos on YouTube about the infamous 40-day trial if you want to look into that a little bit further. It's actually kind of interesting, but that's about it for today's tutorial, guys. If you search for it in the start menu search, you can go ahead and just open it up that way, or you could just go ahead and open up through the start. So you go through the start menu or search and just type in WinRAR. Go ahead and open that up. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.